Acer, 55 inches, H Series 4K Ultra HD Android Smart LED TV. Product information. Resolution 4K Ultra HD, 3840x2160. Vertical bar refresh rate 60 Hz 178 degree wide viewing angle. Connectivity 3 HDMI ports to connect latest gaming consoles. Set-top box, Blu-ray players to USB ports to connect hard drives and other USB devices. EARC, Dolby Atmos pass-through EARC HDMI 1 port Bluetooth 5.0 SPDIF Ethernet headphone out. Sound 60 watts hi-fi speakers Dolby Atmos. Smart TV features, certified Android TV 11 Google Assistant Chromecast built-in voice-controlled smart remote hotkeys for quick access, Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus Hotstar 5 picture mode 2 GB RAM 16 GB storage 64-bit quad-core processor. Display 4K HDR HDR10 plus HLG Dolby Vision 4K upscaling MEMC dynamic signal calibration 1.07 billion colors WCG plus super brightness micro dimming blue light reduction 178 degree wide viewing angle. Warranty information. 3 years comprehensive warranty provided by the manufacturer from date of purchase. Installation wall mounting demo will be arranged by our team. For any other information, please contact Amazon customer support. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.